In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off iMessages on the Mac. This is a fairly simple process. You want to bring up the iMessages application. Now you have the iMessages application up, you want to click on Messages in the top left hand corner and then come down to Preferences. And on the iMessage Preferences page, you want to click iMessage in the middle here. And if you just don't want your messages syncing across your iCloud, you want to click here, Enable Messages in iCloud. This will disable the messages across iCloud. However, if you want something more permanent, you want to select Sign Out. This will sign out of iMessages on the Mac. You now will no longer get iMessages on your Mac. You will need to re-sign in if you want to re-access your messages. And that is how to turn off iMessages on the Mac. As you can see, clicking the iMessages no longer displays any messages. You can move the iMessages to the bin. If you ever want it back, you can come to your applications and bring it back to the dock and re-sign in. And that is how to turn off iMessages on the Mac. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below and check out this next quick Mac tip. And if you want more quick Mac tips like this, please hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.